Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the AI Viral Pro Studio to create something epic. Let's see what happens when we bring a simple photo to life. First, I'm picking the Photo That Comes to Life feature. This is where the magic starts. Now I'll choose the Photo Animator Pro category for those mind-blowing effects. Time to upload the image. Here's our star. A potato under attack by robots. Sounds wild, right? Here's the prompt I'm using. Let's enhance the prompt to make it even bigger and better. Generating the video now. Watch as the potato comes alive. Robots attacking with guns, rockets crashing, explosions everywhere. The slow motion and dynamic lighting make it feel like a real blockbuster movie. Isn't this insane? This tool turns the impossible into reality with just a few clicks. Want to create your own epic AI creations? Try it now and tag me to see your viral videos. Don't forget to follow for more AI magic.